Then on the tall dresser, there's a small cabinet section, so I needed to build a floating panel that would sit in there, and nothing works better than a breadboard end panel for that, so I just threw together this nice, simple panel. And again, this is very important. This is a breadboard end, and if you want to find out why, I highly recommend going and checking out the detailed build series. The last thing to do with the sides here was on the nightstands. I wanted to again add in a little bit of a filler panel just because I found the inside of these frames to not be looking so good, or as good as I expected them to. So these little simple maple panels cleaned up that interior view of these nightstands.